Hello friends. So I'm Anthony back again for the Power BI session. This is not the third part of Power BI session. This is just to answer the queries of few of the people who have seen my first video and the second video for Power BI. So lot many people are telling me that Anthony, you are not actually telling anything about Power BI. You are not actually telling how to visualize data, how to take data, or you're not telling anything about how to go about Power BI. So you're not actually talking about Power BI, but you're talking about some other examples. So, my dear friends, here, as I told you, that we will not be going with all the jargons, with all the technical words, because there are not many people who are from non-IT background and they won't understand what is data, what is a relationship, what is a database. So if I start using all those words, it would be a big bouncer for them. That's why I'm teaching you in another way where you won't understand when where you have already landed in data. You are already working with data, but you won't be scared of that data. You won't be scared of what is visualization. I understand people think visualization about a bar graph or anything, something which is there in Excel, something which is there in Power BI, how to present data. So if you see my last example, my last Power BI session, the Power BI session part 2 by Anthony, you will understand that I had taken an example of a mark sheet. What that mark sheet was actually talking about, it was talking about where my name is written, where my registration number is, where the marks are there, whether I'm passed or I'm failed, what is my score, what are the different things I should see in a mark sheet. So that actually forms everything you need to learn about Power BI. So friends, I'm actually taking you through how to understand data first, how to understand what I want to visualize, how to understand what is with me, and then if I understand that, if I can create a scenario with that, then I can actually visualize how to present it. Then I can actually understand how what others want to see from that, what other people or what I want to analyze from that. So that's why I've taken a very easy example of a mark sheet, because as students we always had questions about the mark sheets, and as time passed we understood a mark sheet, and it is the most basic example in any of the exercise, in any of the teachings. So that's why I've taken it. So if you have any questions that why I am not talking about Power BI, this is the answer. My friends, I'm not going to tell you all the big words. I'm going to take you a baby step, a step by step, and together we can actually understand how easy it is to study Power BI, how easy the tool is. The tool is just like an mobile application. There's new application, new app which comes in the market. You see it on your mobile, you see some advertisement, you download it, you install it, you open it, you give them some access. It asks whether you want to allow the location, if you want to allow the SMS, if you want to allow the contacts. It's similar to that. You give some access to that application and then you start using it. Nobody trains you. It is as simple as that to use Power BI. Just walk with me and I will actually take you to the complete path of Power BI with me. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can always comment me. Some people have my contact numbers also. You can always reach me. You can always email me. My email ID is Anthony.ohol, Anthony dot ohol @gmail.com. You can always reach me with your questions and I would be happy to answer you always. So thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe this video because there are new exciting things coming up and you will not actually understand when we have actually started doing Power BI sessions, when we have actually started with the Power BI examples, because any tool is very easy. What you need to remember is, are you going to understand? Are you understanding what that tool is doing? Are you understanding the out of box things in that tool? Whether you can take any kind of scenario and use it in that tool. If you go in the textbook and if you go with the examples of the textbook, it would be like you can only do, you can only work on those same examples as they have given. But if the questions are changed, you won't be able to answer it. So be with me, share this video, like this video, subscribe, and please comment what you want. Please comment if you have any questions, any queries. Secondly, in one of my video, I have commented that if you have any language barriers, I understand some people who have come from different backgrounds. They must not be very technical to understand the English. They must not be very knowledgeable to understand everything. You can comment me. You can ask me questions on my email IDs also if you don't want to comment. And we can connect and we can make understand each other. Thank you. Life is beautiful.